Go. It's Delaney making the new hazelnut macchiato.
Are you making it? Yeah. No. Are you making one? I would rather have ice, but if you're making one for the video, I'll have it hot. I don't care.
All right. Making it hot, trying it out. It's measuring to the appropriate line, obviously. Following the proper beverage repeatable routine, of course. Except we don't have any grande cups. We are going to make do anyway. Oh yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. Let me get a close up. It's delicious drizzle in the proper standard pattern. Oh my god! Hazelnut macchiato!